Let's see a quadrilateral known as parallelogram. I'll explain you the different kinds of different kinds of quadrilateral. Let's first concentrate on parallelogram. Parallelogram is what? It's a type of quadrilateral. It's a quadrilateral having four sides. In parallelogram, the opposite sides are parallel to each other. Now these arrows you can see. To represent two parallel lines, we use arrows, right? If I put two lines like this and I put arrows like this will show the person who is seeing that the two lines are parallel. This is a way to represent parallel lines. It could be, if I can put two arrows, three arrows, but in that case both the lines should have two arrows or both the lines should have three arrows and so on. So this will show us that AD is parallel to BC and AB is parallel to DC. So what's a parallelogram? It's a quadrilateral with opposite sides as parallel. So the first property, these are the properties. You need to remember the properties. Let me write it. Opposite sides are parallel. I can even represent parallel with these two arrows, right? Now we will see the second property. The opposite sides AB and DC are equal and AD and BC are equal. The second property can be opposite sides are equal in length. Two properties done. Then opposite angles. Angle A and angle C are equal. Opposite angles are equal. That means angle A is equal to angle C and angle B is equal to angle D. Fine? Is this much clear? Not the adjacent angles. Opposite angles are equal. Now, to understand this, opposite angles are here equal. As of now, you will just remember that the opposite angles are equal. Later in higher standard, you will learn to prove, to understand the logic why they are equal. For that, you need to know the parallel lines concept. So as of now, we will just remember the opposite angles are equal. That is, angle A is equal to angle C, angle B is equal to angle D. We need to just remember the properties. Proving the properties we will learn in higher standards. Okay. The next thing is, these are the diagonals. Let me draw it first. AC and DB. Sorry, it should be straight line. They are the diagonals. Fine. AC and DB are the two diagonals of this parallelogram. So in parallelogram, the diagonals are not equal, right? You make a parallelogram and see these two will not be equal, right? Diagonals are not equal. The second thing is, the diagonals are cutting each other. I'll draw one more parallelogram and show you it. A, B, C, D. It has to be little slanting because of the angles, okay? These are the diagonals, okay? Now the diagonals, I've not drawn it with scale, so you cannot see it, but the diagonals are not equal, one thing, and the diagonals bisect each other. What do you mean by diagonals bisect each other? Diagonals are cutting each other like this. एक दूसरे को काट रहे हैं. So this portion, this much portion will be equal to this much portion. Bisecting we have learned, no? आधा करना किसी चीज़ को bisect बोलते हैं. So अगर these are the two diagonals, DB and AC and let it be O, then AO is equal to OC. AO is equal to OC and DO is equal to OB. That means the diagonals are cutting each other, okay, into two equal parts. Fine. This means diagonals are bisecting each other. Diagonals bisect each other. This is your fifth property, you can say. Diagonals are not equal, but the diagonals cut each other. This portion will be equal to this and this portion will be equal to this. They will not be equal आपस में, पर ये इसके बराबर और ये इसके बराबर. Fine. The sixth thing is, are diagonals perpendicular to each other? Now what does that mean? Diagonals are perpendicular or no? This is one diagonal, this is another diagonal. Yes. So diagonals are perpendicular means like this. Is this making a 90 degree? Right? No, they do not make 90 degree with each other. Fine. Diagonals are not perpendicular. In some of the quadrilateral, diagonals are perpendicular. Here diagonals are not perpendicular. Perpendicular means making 90 degree. So is this 90? No, not in case of parallelogram. In some of the quadrilaterals, when the diagonals meet at a point, they make 90, 90, 90, 90, 90, 90. ऐसे 90, 90, 90, 90 बनाते हैं. But in this case, the diagonals do not make 90 degree with each other. Let's revise these properties are very important. You will require these property again every time, and proving of the properties will be done later. We'll just see one by one. See, opposite sides are parallel, right? Opposite sides are parallel, opposite sides are equal, opposite angles are equal, diagonals are not equal in parallelogram, but they bisect each other. मतलब एक दूसरे को equal portions में cut कर देते हैं. Diagonals bisect each other and diagonals are not perpendicular. Perpendicular means they do not make 90 with each other like this. 90, 90, 90, 90. No, not possible. They will make some other angle.